Let's understand one of the most used tag in HTML, which is the div tag. So before that, I'm gonna write a heading with the text Thor. Then let's say I have a paragraph with 20 dummy words. Save the file. You can see we have the heading and the paragraph. Let's say we have another heading with the text Iron Man, and we have another paragraph, let's say 30 dummy words. Save the file. You can see we have two headings and two paragraphs. Let me write the style tag in the head section and add some styling to these headings and paragraphs. So I'm gonna write the tag name, which is h2, to apply some CSS styling. Let's say I want that the heading should have a background color of black and it should have a text color of white. Save the file. You can see the heading has background color of black and the text color is white. Let me select the paragraphs. So P, then opening and closing curly braces, and here I want background color light gray, or let's say light blue, and the text color gray. Save the file. Or we can use the white color as text color. Let me delete the gray color, it does not look nice. Save the file. Still this looks ugly, so I'm gonna use light coral. Save the file. Okay, let's stick with this, whether it's beautiful or not. So let's say I want some common styling in this paragraph and heading tag. So how will I do that? For some common styling, we need to turn these two tags into a section. So for that, we use the div tag. It is a pair tag and a block level tag. So I have to write the opening div tag. As I want to make these two tags a section, then that's why I will close the div tag after the closing paragraph tag. Save the file. Now this heading and this paragraph is a section. So this div tag is a generic container tag which is used to divide the web page into some sections. So we can make flexible layouts. So I will turn these two tags into a section. So I'm gonna write the opening div tag before h2 tag. Let me cut this closing div tag from here and write the closing div tag after the closing paragraph tag. Now these two tags are in a different section. Save the file. So these are now different sections. Now we can add some common stylings to these elements. For that, I'm gonna select the div tag. Let's say I want the background color orange. Save the file. You can see we have the background color orange. So that's why the white gap turned into orange color. You can say for this we can use the bg color attribute in the body tag. But let me show you where is the catch. Let me cut this portion. Save the file. You can see we have no styling. If I write the bg color attribute in the body tag and set the value orange, save the file, you can see the whole body turns into orange color. But we don't want that. We want that the sections should be in a orange color. So that's why we have to divide them into sections. So let me bring back that code. Save the file. You can see we have the styling. Remember that the div tag is a pair tag, it is a block level tag, and it is a generic container tag which helps us creating sections by putting two or more HTML element inside itself. We can create layouts using table tag or other tags, but it is recommended to use div tag to create web page layouts. Let me add some more CSS properties here. For example, I want some padding, let's say 10 pixel. Save the file. You can see we have 10 pixel of padding. We can add some margin here, margin 2 pixel. Save the file. You can see we have 2 pixel margin in between two divs. Let me change the background color of the paragraph. it should be gray. Save the file. And the text color should be black. We can add some paddings here. Let's say 5 pixel. We can add padding to the heading also. So padding 5 pixel. Save the file. Now this kinda looks good. If I maximize the browser, you can see the div tag is taking the full width of the browser, but we can change this with the width property available in CSS. So I'm gonna write the width property, which will be 500 pixel. So now if I maximize the browser, you can see the width of the div tag is 500 pixel. Let me reduce this more and set this 300 pixel. And now if I maximize the browser, you can see it is 300 pixel. So as the div tag is the parent tag of the heading and paragraph, those are taking the width of the div tag. Though they are block level tag, they are not taking the full width of the browser window, but the width of the parent tag, in this case the div tag. So that's why sectioning is important while creating layouts.